I am learning now more than ever about the value of rest and how important it is for my life, for my recovery, certainly, but just in general, for my daily thinking and my emotions, my physical health. Rest is so important, even over the holidays. I know it's easy to think, well, it's Christmas and New Year's and we just stay up till whatever time we want. But really try to get rest. Make sure you're getting good sleep, even, 7 hours if you can each night of good solid rest to help you in, like I said, with your heart, inside your soul needs that rest, and in your emotions, right? And your thinking. So getting good rest helps you to make healthy decisions and just helps you to really do well in your recovery journey.